Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of inviting someone to a community in X. Sharing your community with others can foster collaboration and engagement. We'll show you how to invite members to a community in X. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the community section. Step 3. There are 2 ways to find the community you want to invite someone to. You can either tap on the wanted community icon or use the search icon to find it. Step 4. Once you're in the community, scroll up to reveal more options. Tap on the share icon, typically represented by an arrow pointing upwards. Step 5. Within the sharing options, locate and tap on Invite Members. This action will allow you to invite up to 5 accounts that follow or are followed by you. By inviting someone to a community in X, you can encourage participation and collaboration within the community. Invite members who share common interests or can contribute valuable insights. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to invite someone to a community in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.